Hi, my name is Mark J. Reality Pangilinan, 27 years old. I have an experience as a messman on a tanker ship. My role on board was to ensure our kitchen and dining areas are always safe and clean, and to make sure the whole crew eats healthy and tasty meals. I'm also adaptable and can handle unexpected challenges. I can work under pressure and adapt to changing situation effectively. I was also a server at the Manila Hotel for 3 years. I make sure our guests feel welcome and valued. I knew our menu inside out, meaning I can suggest great dishes and pair them with the right drinks. I also make sure orders go in fast and meals are served promptly. I pay attention to what guests want and take care of special requests with a warm smile, because won't only serve food. We also serve happiness one plate at a time. I'm excited about the opportunity to bring my skills to your team. Thank you.